Hi, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and you're listening to the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast. Each day we bring you a short inspirational message to kick off your morning and to put you in the positive attitude needed to succeed and to win the day. Yes, win the day. Here at Inspirational University, the home of the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast, our company's mission is to help you with positive instruction and training in business, startup and management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. Can you use a mentor, coach, or consultant to help with your business or self-improvement? Check out our Mastermind group over at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Well, good morning out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners, and thank you for downloading this episode, number 414, here in our second year of this show. Today's quote, nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Hey, I'm asking you if you listen to us over on your iTunes account. About 48% of our listeners do. We're asking you to please leave us a review over there. It's a 1-star to a 5-star review. The 5-star reviews really help us promote this podcast out to more and more people. You know our goal here is to bring a little inspiration to the world each morning. So I'm asking you today to take 30 seconds, maybe it takes a minute, go over to your iTunes account and go ahead and give us a ranking today. A 1-star to a 5-star. We very much appreciate it. And now, a quick word from one of our sponsors. Do you need a logo for your business, a poster for an upcoming event, or an illustration of your pet? Corey Fast is a designer. He's skilled at it, who can fulfill all your design needs with a fast turnaround time. Find his work on his website at coreyfast.com or Instagram at coreyfastart. The website is coreyfast.com. It's Corey, C-O-R-Y, fast, F-A-S-T, art, A-R-T.com. All one word, coreyfast.com. Check out his great graphical design skills today. He's the one who designed our logo here at Inspirational University for our podcast. Well, we're back, and our quote of the day, nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Yes, that's the truth, folks. It's the truth. A broken person is strong because they've went through failure, and they've realized they've come out the other side, and that failure is not the end game. Failure is not the end. Failure does not define you. Failure is a learning opportunity. Failure is part of the progress to success. Nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Yes, folks, things are going to go wrong in life. There's going to be problems. There's going to be setbacks. There's going to be financial hardships. There's going to be tragedy. It's all part of living. It's all part of life. It doesn't avoid us or any of us. Everybody thinks, oh, this is happening to me. It happens to everyone. Everyone deals with financial problems at some point in their life. Everyone deals with tragedy in their life. Everyone deals with setbacks in their life. Everyone deals with failure in their life. It's how do you define failure? See, here at Inspirational University, we don't see failure as failure. Failure is a learning opportunity. It's part of the process of learning. It's part of the process of self-improvement. It's part of the goal process on how you succeed. Nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Yes, if you failed in life and you hit rock bottom, you're hungry. You want to come back, but you realize that you just pick back up and start again. Learn from them mistakes and keep moving forward, and you'll reach your goals in life. 2 things I tell you to do here. Figure out your passion in life and make it your career. You'll never work a day in your life. The second one is become a goal setter. We call people who aren't goal setters dreamers. I don't know. You probably know a bunch of people that have told you their goals 10 years straight. They've never got any closer to them. They couldn't tell you today how close they are to succeeding because they don't have a formal plan of action. It's so important in my mind, in fact, in my life. It's how I move forward. I've been through so much in this world, so much setback. If you knew my whole story, which you can find me on on my YouTube station, and I talk about my story. If you understand what I've gone through in life, you would think nobody can come back. But you can, because you're stronger each time you get broken, each time you lose, each time you fail, each time there's a setback, each time you have to rebuild your life because of financial hardships. Nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. And the only way that you rebuild yourself and become strong is to have that written plan of action, which we call goals. That's why we say dreamers dream, but goal setters achieve, because it's the plan of action that will help you achieve. It's the process. It's the step-by-step process to success. And once you understand that failure is nothing more than learning, failure is the beginning, failure is the lesson to greatness, to success, to everything it is that you want in this world. You can get anything you want in this world if you'll just keep moving forward and don't worry about how many times you fail trying to get there. Because each one of them is a learning opportunity. Each one of them is a lesson. Understand that in life. Understand you can have all the education in the world, but if you don't take action with your education, you're not moving forward. You're just sitting there. I got a great piece of paper that says, yeah, I got a degree. But the world owes you nothing. You still got to use what you learned. Nothing is stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. Quit sitting there in your comfort zone. Get out there and take some chances with your life. Figure out what it is you want in this life and write it down. Break it into action steps. Break the action steps into tasks and move forward. Don't let nothing stop you. Never quit. Nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves. And I know you can do it because I did it a few times over. You can do it. Some call it discipline. Some call it mental toughness. Some call it strength. Some call it the ability to move forward under pressure. I'm telling you, there's nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves because they're on a mission. And now I guarantee you that they're becoming goal setters. They're dating everything they want in life, and they're going after it. Because nothing in this world is stronger than a person rebuilding themselves who has a mission, who has a life plan. Do you have a life plan? Have you become a goal setter? Let us show you how. coachjrp@gmail.com for any of your questions out there so we can show you how to become a goal setter. If you ever have any questions for me, maybe you'd like to have something discussed on the show, maybe you got a favorite quote you'd like us to feature on the podcast, simply email us, folks, simply email us at coachjrp@gmail.com. That's coachjrp@gmail.com. As always, I'm asking you to pledge to our cause. I'm asking you to pay it forward with a little donation. Please help with the ongoing cost of keeping our information free. This site survives off of your donations. Your generous donation of even just $1 a month will go a long way to keeping this positive information flowing to the world. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is to educate and inspire people to move forward towards success. How can I help you develop the mental toughness to succeed? How can I help you understand that failure is a learning opportunity and that there's nothing stronger than a broken person rebuilding themselves? Are you ready to rebuild yourself today? If so, get to work, become a goal setter, because dreamers dream, but goal setters achieve. And I want you to achieve. I know you're designed for greatness. Get out there and get after it today and succeed. This is Coach P. Have yourself a great day and move forward. Hey, Coach P here. We're at Inspirational University, where we help you with positive instruction and training in business management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. Can you use a business or life mentor, coach, or consultant to help with your business and self-improvement? Well, you should be joining our Mastermind group. Gain instant access to Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and other like-minded business owners. You can ask your questions or advice directly to Coach P, either by email or on the phone with a personal coaching call. You also gain access to a group of like-minded business owners where you can post your questions and gain valuable advice in this private online community. Gain this unlimited access today. Hey, business does not have to be trial and error. Get professional advice prior to decision making. Join our Mastermind group today. We help you with business questions, startup questions, operation, marketing, and any type of self-improvement, health, and wellness programs. For additional information, go on over to inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Inspirational University, helping you with positive instruction and training in business management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Are you looking to build your confidence and help ignite weight loss? You can achieve and maintain lasting weight loss results. You'll also notice a significant savings on your grocery bill as you replace unhealthy cravings with premium nutrition that helps build and maintain lean muscle, nourishes your body to support your own detoxification system while increasing energy levels. This is a 30-day program, comes complete with the cleansing and fat-burning system, nutritional products, and an exercise program, along with your own personal online trainer. Yes, 30-day weight loss program. For additional information, go on over to ShowtimeSAQ.com. That's ShowtimeSAQ.com. Get going on your weight loss program and lean muscle building system today.